everybody. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Sharleen from stampwithshar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. It's Friday, which means I either have a tip, a technique, or a trick to share with you. Now, all of this week, I have been featuring these medium clear-sized envelopes, and I've got a great tip to share with you today. Before we get started, any of the supplies that I used in today's video, you can find it in the description below, and if you click on that, that's going to take you on over to my online store. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you over on my website, www.stampwithshar.com. Before we get started, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do so by hitting that red subscribe button. You can also click that little girl that sits in the corner of your screen. Either way, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that little bell. That's going to notify you every time I upload a video. We're going to flip the camera and we're going to get started. Here's another great way to use our medium clear-sized envelopes. And all I've done, I finally found a candy / snack my kids won't eat. So, yay. But all you're going to do, you guys, is take a medium-sized envelope. You're going to add your snacks. Now, this is a great way to use these if you don't have any type of bag to add your stuff into. I don't believe these are food safe, you guys, so I would suggest making sure whatever you add inside is pre-wrapped, like these are pre-wrapped. That's the only thing. And then you're just basically going to fold it over. I have a piece of crushed curry, and this piece is 5 inches by 3 inches, and we need to score this at 1.5. Now you will notice that this one is a little bit bigger, this yellow piece, the crushed curry, and that's because this is 5.5, and I just shortened it a little bit. So we're just going to score this piece at 1.5. And what's great is you can embellish this however you want. You're just going to add that to the top of your envelope. I've just got a stapler, and I am just going to staple like so. And then you can go ahead and decorate it however you want. I'm just using some old olive ink, and I went ahead and I punched this out. This one I used this stitched scallop circle. I've just got my multi-purpose liquid glue. I'm just going to, didn't add enough, add that on the top, and then finish it off with a flower. Super cute, you guys. So on Monday I shared some shaker cards using our medium clear envelopes. And then on Wednesday, I shared with you how to create a photo album using our clear envelopes. And today, I wanted to share with you just a fun way to give a gift to maybe, I don't know, your kids' school class, but using our medium envelopes. And what's great is there's 50 in a package, you guys. So again, really inexpensive and just a cute way to dress up something to give to somebody. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. I hope you all have a wonderful and safe weekend, and I hope you'll join me back here on Monday. Take care.